Hello people, so this is my 10th and final video of the day, and I don't know, but I'm just so happy. Each time I shoot my final video, I'm like very happy. But though I enjoy YouTubing so much, so um, there's this Reader's Digest quote I read where a little girl says that she enjoys coming home at the end of a long day the most. So then her dad told her, then you might as well be at home. Then what is the point? But she says, no, when you leave the house and then come back, you feel so special. So it's a little fact about life, yeah, that my 10th and final video makes me so happy, so I might as well not shoot. But no, it's the feeling of shooting the videos and then my final video feels good. So this is like a, I don't know, a certain thing about life that at least you try, that's important to try. So on that note, thanks for watching people, and please subscribe.